Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my third video on my extensive reading, and this is the last video. Yes, I promise, this is my last video in extensive reading. Before I started to the video, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Retno Kartikasari, and I'm a student of English Education Department 4C, Faculty of Educational Sciences, Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University, Jakarta. In this video, I will present about the compilation of 10 articles. Yes, it is 10 articles that I have read before. Are you curious about the article? Okay, stay tuned. This is the title of the article. The first article is about improving teacher quality, a keyword for improving educational facing global challenges. The second article is about an approach in teaching writing skills. Does it offer a new insight in enhancing students' writing ability? The third article is about the application of e-learning mathematics using model in improving students' problem-solving ability. The fourth article is about evaluation of the implementation of national education standards on antecedent components in special or vocational high school. And the fifth article is the functionality of the middle value of the Indonesian version of emotional learning instrument. This is the fifth one, and the next is the article 6 to 10. This is the article 6 to 10. The article 6 is about the influence of assessment, self-edification through student learning outcomes in Indonesian language. The article 7 is about hidden curriculum practice case study Avicenna Jagakarsa Senior High School. The article 8 is about development of biology test of creative thinking tolerance test or BTCTTT assessment to improve students' creative thinking skills. The article 9 is about the implementation, training, and education program for the headmaster candidates at Education Quality Guarantee Institution or LPMP, Lampung. In the last article, or article 10, is about the effect of scale category of predictive validity of mathematics self-efficiency scale. So, there are the 10 articles that consist in this video. Are you curious about the explanation of the article? Let's stay tuned. So, from the 10 articles, I divided into two categories. The first category is training in education. There are consists of 6 articles. There are article 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and 9. The second category is curriculum. There are consists of 4 articles. There are article 4, 5, 7, and 10. Okay, next to the next session of the explanation of the article. Hello, this is article 1. The article 1 title is Improving Teacher Quality, a keyword for improving education facing global challenges. This article written by Hussein Yusuf. The general problem of this article is teacher profession is not attractive both for the prospective students and for the qualified experienced teachers because of the law of teachers' welfare. The purpose of this article is focus on the quality of students who plan to enter the teaching profession. As long as I read this article, I got from the conclusion. The conclusion is teachers' quality is the keyword for ensuring the quality of education that indicated by the quality of output and outcome. Without qualified competent teachers, it is impossible to build a high-quality education. Okay, let's see the second article. Hello, this is the article 2. The article 2 title is An Approach in Teaching Writing Skills. Does it offer a new insight in enchanting students' writing ability? This article, written by Nidya Indrila and Dia Setiawati Ciptaningrum. The purpose of this article is to reveal the effectiveness of scientific approach in the teaching writing skills. And the method of this article is use a quasi-experimental design. The population was grade 8 students of Radion schools. As the result, this article is there were significant differences in the writing achievement among the students taught by using the scientific approach and conventional approach. So, please watch the next article. Hello, this is Article 3. The title of the article is The Application of E-Learning Mathematics Using Model in Improving Students' Problem-Solving Ability. This article written by Erdawati Kamarudin and Ratu Amelia Aviati. This article is from the Journal of Indonesian Student Assessment and Education, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 1 until 10. The general problem area is efforts are needed to improve teacher performance so that they can carry out their duties as one of the determining factors in achieving the quality of learning and improving student learning outcomes, especially in developing learning media based on e-learning. The purpose of this article is to develop a prototype strategy for e-learning mathematics learning tools using model in order to improve students' problem-solving abilities. As long as I read this article, I get the conclusion. The conclusion is it is necessary to develop learning media based on e-learning and improve the quality of learning methods. And this is the Article 4. The Article 4 title is Evaluation of the Implementation of National Education Standards on Antecedent Components in Special or Vocational High School. This article, written by Emma Novia, Aib Badrujaman, and Wardani Rahayu. This is from Journal of Indonesian Student Assessment and Education, or JISE, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 11 to 25. This general problem is learning planning, educator qualification, and infrastructure is one of the components that exist in the National Standard of Education. The purpose of this article is to evaluate the quality of lesson plan or RPP and assessment, educator qualifications, and infrastructure in the antecedent component of the consolidated stake model in special or vocational high school. As long as I read this article, I get the conclusion. The conclusion is the results show that educators first didn't prioritize learning program planning and its assessment, both lacking facilities of learning infrastructure, and all three educators who didn't have a certificate of educators. This is Article 5. The Article 5 title is The Functionality of the Middle Value of the Indonesian Version of Emotional Learning Instrument. This article written by Erwin Sulaiman, Erdawati Kamarudin, and Winona Amanda Tiara Widodo. This is I got from the Journal of Indonesia Student Assessment and Education, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 26 to 46. The general problem of this article is the psychometric validity of the instrument with a scale of 5 and 4 response categories. The purpose of this article is to determine the differences in the validity of the unreached threshold in an ELV. ELV means Indonesian version of emotional learning instrument. The method used in this article is adopted from the post-positivism paradigm with a questionnaire method. Samples on the 1494 student responses were taken in Jakarta. The finding of this article is the differences in the validity of the unreached result of the ELV on a scale of 5 and 4 response categories based on the Raj modeling. Hello, this is Article 6. The Article 6 is about the influence of assessment, self-edification through student learning outcomes in Indonesian language. This article written by Ijudin. This is from Journal of Indonesia Student Assessment and Education, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 47 to 54. The purpose of this article is to learn the result of Indonesian subject which use peer assessment and teacher assessment by technique of oral presentation of high school students. The method of this article is use a quasi-experimental method. The target of population is all high school students in Bogor Regency. The sample was taken from a group of students in grade 10. And in this article, there are any table and graphic about. The table is about distribution of samples to each group according to treatment, and the graphic is about interaction assessment by teachers on student learning outcomes in Indonesian subject. long as I read this article, I find the conclusion of this article. The conclusion is the application of assessment conducted by peers is more effective than assessment conducted by teachers in improving student learning outcomes in Indonesian subject. Hello, this is Article 7. The Article 7 title is Hidden Curriculum Practice Case Study Avicenna Senior High School. This article written by Atrik Kurniawati from Journal of Indonesian Student Assessment and Education, page 55 to 72. The general problem of this article is how the practice of hidden curriculum, and the purpose of this article is to describe the practice of hidden curriculum in depth using through Henry Giroux. The method of this article is a case study. The unit of analysis in this case study is to Avicenna Senior High School. The data collection is done through in-depth interviews, observation, and secondary data. And the finding of this article is the practice of hidden curriculum is done by the Board of Trustees behind the development of a formal curriculum and carried out by the teacher to maintain the old identity through daily practices. Now, it is Article 8. The Article 8 title is Development of Biology Test of Creative Thinking Turing Test, or BTCT-TT. This article written by Radia. This article is from Journal of Indonesian Student Assessment and Education, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 73 until 84. The general problem of this article is education in the 21st century should be supported by an education system that is oriented to student creativity. The purpose of this article is to developing the biology test of creative thinking Turing test, or BTCT-TT assessment in studying biology for high school students grade 11. The method of this article is used 4D model is a research model of Siva Sailam Tiagarajan. The population were all high school of class 11 in Malinau. And as long as I read the article, the conclusion is development of BTCT-TT using the 4D model produce 38 items and groups of students who get conventional assessment. Okay, to Article 9. Hello, this time is Article 9. Article 9 is about the implementation training and education program for the headmaster candidates at Education Quality Guarantee Institution, or LPMP. This article written by Faradita and Ahmad. This article from Journal of Indonesian Student Assessment and Education, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 84 to 93. The general problem of this article is the education and training of the competencies processed by headmaster are still considered very weak in managing the institution. The method of this article is program evaluation by applying Kirkpatrick's blended model evaluating training program consisting of level 1 reaction, level 2 learning, level 3 behavior, and level 4 the result. The purpose of this article is investigating the reaction, learning, achievement, behavior changing, and the effect of training and education program for headmaster candidates. The conclusion of this article is the implementation of education and training in providing participants learning experiences is organized with systematic planning, clearly programmed, achieving goals, answering participants' competency problems. Wow, one article left. Hello everyone, this is the last article. I hope you keep watching this part. Okay, the article 10 is about the effect of scale category of predictive validity of mathematics self-efficacy scale. This article written by Iwan Setiadi. This is from Journal of Indonesian Student Assessment and Education. This article, page 84 to 102. The general problem of this article is mathematics learning has been dominant in cognitive aspect. The purpose of this article to obtain empirical data about the effect of the number of scale categories on the accuracy of the predictive validity of the mathematics self-efficacy scale. And the method used in this article is this research is quantitative of comparative study. The population is all students of class 11 IPA, Madrasah Aliyah in North Jakarta. And the later finding is there was no significant effect between the number of scale of 2, 3, or 5 categories on the Likert scale on reliability and validity. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin, this is the end of the review. Thank you so much for watching my video. From the first video is about novel review, and the second video is about textbook review, and this is the last video is about article compilation review. And there is enough from me. I'm sorry if any mistakes. I hope you always give the help by the God. Stay safe everyone. See you in another video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.